Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be considering logarithm with the use of table. If you have not seen our video on logarithm without the use of table, kindly check this YouTube channel. Please don't be a stranger on this YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification from us whenever we post a new video. Kindly help share and like any of our video. Then you are free to make any comments over any of our video. But in this video we'll be considering logarithm with the use of table. Let me quickly introduce the table to us. When we say logarithm with the use of table, it is the logarithm table. This logarithm table will be making use of. These are the logarithm numbers. These are the numbers. These are what we'll be considering, and these are the main differences. As we journey through this video, you will understand what it means to use this logarithm table. We'll be making use of this logarithm table, and we also have the anti-logarithm table as well that we'll be making use of in this video. So this is the anti-logarithm table. We'll be making use of this one as well as we journey through this video. So sit well. Popularly people call this table four-figure table, but it is logarithm table. You can also call it four-figure table. So let's journey through this video. Now we have some questions here, question 1 to number 4. As we journey through the solution, you will understand how we make use of the table and how we apply it to solving questions on logarithm with the use of table. The question says evaluate the following using logarithm table. Like I've introduced to us logarithm table. Some used to call it four-figure table. It is still the same. So let's see how we do that. Question number 1 says 17.83 times 246.9 all over 256.2 times 3.28. So let's solve this. Let's evaluate this with the use of logarithm table. So this is the solution. Okay, like we all know, in indices and logarithm, multiplications goes with addition while division goes with subtraction. We'll be making use of that as well here. So by the time we solve this question number 1 and explain in detail, you will understand how to properly make use of the logarithm table. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have 17.83 times 246.9 all over 256.2 times 3.28. Now these are the numbers. Let's deal with what we have up here at the numerator first. Let's deal with what we have at the numerator here. Let's start with 17.83. This is it, 17.83 times, this is it, 246.9. Now if you are using a logarithm table, this is the first thing you consider. The numbers before decimal, how many do you have here? We have 2, 1, 2 before decimal. So if you are solving using logarithm table, these are the little things you will consider. By the time we are through with the explanation of this solution number 1, you will understand better before we go to 2, 3 and 4 as we have on this video. So we have 2-digit number before our decimal. So if you have 2-digit number, first thing first, if it is 2 digits, you write 1. If it is 3 digits, you write 2. If it is 4 digits, you write 3. So this is what I mean. This is 17. That's a 2-digit number, 1, 2. So you write 1 here. Look at the second one here. We have 3-digit number before decimal, 1, 2 and 3. So that is the reason why we have 2 here. If the number before this decimal is 4, we are going to write 3. So let's take note of that. So now let's forge ahead. We have 2-digit number here, 1, 2. That's the reason why we have 1 here. So you write 1 point. Are we following? Awesome. So now we now go to our logarithm table. We check 17 under 8 difference 3. 17 under 8 difference 3. because in our logarithm table, let me quickly show you, we have 2-digit number there. So as you are calling those logarithm numbers, you'll be calling them in twos first, because it starts from 10 up to 99. Up to 99. That is what we have here. Awesome. Look at it. It ends in 99. So we have our mean differences here as well. So you'll be calling them in twos. So let's forge. By the time we are through with this solution number 1, you will understand better. So let's go. We have 17 under 8 difference 3. What do I mean by that? You check your logarithm table. 17, you go under 8 difference 3. That difference, you will add it with it. Okay, let's see what we have. Don't forget, we have 2 digits number here, and we have put our 1 here. We have 3 digits number here, we have put our 2 here. So let's see what we have here. 17 under 8 difference 3. So let's go to our logarithm table. This is 17. Be careful, you are making use of the logarithm table and not the anti-logarithm table. So you see, this is the logarithm table. So this is 17. Are you with me? 17 under 8. You look for, these are the under 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the mean difference. When you say difference, this is what you have here. So let's go. 17 under 8. You trace it properly. 17 under 8. Look at it. We have 2504. 17 under 8 will give us what? 2504. You write it somewhere. 2504. Difference 3. So you now add the difference to this 2504. So you keep tracing. Difference 3. This is difference 3. Don't forget, this is 17 under 8 here. This is 8. And we are in 17. 2504. 2504. 17 under 8. Difference 3. You keep tracing. Difference 3 is 7. Awesome. So you now add 2504 plus 7. This 2504, you add it with the difference. That's the mean difference. Difference 3 is 7. So if you say 2504 plus 7, it will give you 2511. Awesome. 2511. That's why we have 2511 here. Are you with me? 2511. Beautiful. Don't forget, the 2-digit number brings about 1, and this 3-digit number brings about 2. If you have 4-digit number, it will bring about 3. So let's go to the next one. 24 under 6 difference 9. Your result is what you will write here. 24 under 6 difference 9. So let's check our logarithm table. 24 under 6 difference 9. So this is 24. Trace it under 6. 24 under 6. Awesome. This is it. 3909. You write it somewhere. 3909. You write it somewhere. 24 under 6 is 3909. But we have difference 9. Difference 9. Keep tracing. Keep tracing. Difference 9 will give you what? 16. Look at it. 24 under 6. This is our 24 under 6. 3909. You write it somewhere. Difference 9 is 16 right here. So you now add 3909 plus 16. It will give you what? 3925. 3925. That's what we have here. 3925. 3925. Awesome. So that is how we come about this. So since we say multiplication goes with addition, so you add your result that you have here. 1.2511 plus 2.3925, it will give us 3.6436. Awesome. That is our result up here. So let's keep it somewhere. Now the second one, the same way. Let's go. 25 under 6 difference 2. 25 under 6 difference 2. Where's our 25? These are 25. You trace under 6. Let's go. 4082. 4082, difference 2, you keep tracing. 4082, difference 2 is 3, so you add it, it will give you 4085. 4085, that's why we have 4085 here. Beautiful. So don't forget, we have 3 digits number, 1 2 3 before decimal, that's why we have 2 here. Now we have 1 digit number before decimal, that's why we have 0 here. Awesome. So you now go 32 under 8, this one has no difference. Just check 32 under 8. Let's check 32 under 8. 32 under 8. Okay, let's see our 32. This is 32 under 8. This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 32 under 8 will give us 5159. This one has no difference. 5159. That's the reason why we have here 5159. Awesome. So if you add the 2 as well, it will give you 2.9244. Awesome. You keep the result out here as well. So you've been able to deal with the numerator and the denominator. Now all this divided by all this. Now division here goes with what? Subtraction. So you subtract the result of the numerator and the denominator. So it will now give you 0.7192. Beautiful. So this is not our final answer. This is our final answer. So you look for the anti-logarithm of what we have here. Anti-logarithm of what we have here. Beautiful. So let's see. Points. This time around, this is how we check the anti-logarithm. 0.71 under 9, difference 2. That's how you check it. But before then, look at what you have here. You will not consider what you have before the decimal. So you go to your anti-logarithm table and check 0.71 under 9, difference 2. So let's check our anti-logarithm table. Anti-logarithm table. Awesome. This is anti-logarithm. So we check for 0.71. Look at it. We have them here. So you look for 0.71 under 9. 0.71 under 9. Awesome. Here we are. This is 0.71 under 9. You trace it. 9 is the last one, which is 5236. You write it somewhere. 5236. Difference 2. Difference 2 is 2. This is it. So you add 5236 plus 2. It will give you 5238. Awesome. 5238. So that's why you have it here. 5238. So how will you know where to put your decimal? Now, the number before the decimal here, if it is 0, you add 1 to it. That's 1 decimal place you will put. If it is 1, you add 2 to it. 2 decimal place, that's where you put your decimal. If it is 3, you add 1 to it. That's 4 decimal places, that's where you put your point. So now we have 0 here. You add 1 to it. That will give us 1 decimal place. That's where we put our point. So our final answer is 5.238. Awesome. We've spent so much time on this. So the next question we'll understand better by applying all the knowledge we've gotten here. So the second question says we should look for the cube root of 218 divided by 3.12. As usual, we put the two numbers. 218, this is it, divided by 3.12 that we have here. Awesome. Like we've said before, count this number, the number of digits before decimal. So this is where the decimal is going to be, because we have no decimal here. So we have 3 digits here. That means we have 2 here. That's why we have these 2. We have 1 decimal place here, 1 number here. That's why we have 0. And don't forget, we say division goes with subtraction. So what we just need to do, since we have our 2 points, we have our 0 point here, we just say 21 under 8. This one has no difference. We go to our logarithm table. 21 under 8. Ensure you are using the right table. 21 under 8. So we go straight to 21. Awesome. Here we have 21. This is 21 under 8. So let's trace. 21 under 8, we have 3385. We have 3385 because it has no difference. We just put our 3385 right there. This is it, 3385. So the next one too, we go to 31 under 2. This one too has no difference. 31 under 2. Awesome. 31 under 2. Beautiful. So this is 31. This is 0, 1, 2. Good. 31 under 2 will give us 4942. 4942. This one too has no difference, so we'll put it there. 4942. This is it, 4942. Because it's division, it will go with subtraction, so we'll subtract these two. Our result will be what? 1.8443. Now we are done with what we have here, but the question says it is cube root. Now this cube root in indices, if you still remember, it is still the same thing as all this raised to power 1 over 3. So we just, if it is square root, we just get our result here and divide it by 2. But now we have cube root. Our result here, we just divide it by 3, and we see 1.8443 divided by 3. If you bring out your calculator and just punch, you get 0.6148. Beautiful. So as usual, we go to our anti-logarithm table. We check 0.61 under 4 difference 8. 0.61 under 4 difference 8. Let's go to our anti-logarithm table. 0.61 under 4 difference 8. So awesome. This is our anti-logarithm table. So we look for 61. 0.61. Beautiful. This is it. This is 0.61 under 4. This is 4. Beautiful. 4111. You write it somewhere. Difference 8. You go and check your difference. Difference 8 is 8. So you just add it. 4111 plus 8 will give you 4119. Awesome. That's why we have this 4119. Beautiful. So how are we going to know where to put our decimal? Like we said before, we have 0 here. You add 1 to it. That will give you 1 decimal place. If you have 1 here, you add 1 to it. That will give you 2 decimal. If you have 1, add 1 to it, it will give you 2 decimal places. If you have 4 there, add 1 to it, it will give you 5 decimal places. So now, don't forget, our anti-logarithm that we check is 4119. So how are we going to know where to put our points? We have 0 here, just add 1 to it. It will give you 0 plus 1 is 1 decimal place. So we have 4.119. Straight to question number 3. So it says 36.12 raised to power 3 times 750.9 all over 113.2 raised to power 2 times the square root of 92.5. So we take it one after the other. So don't look at it that the question is this way. One after the other will get what we want. So let's just put 36.12. Let's look for what we have as usual. Let's start. We have 2-digit number before our decimal here. So we'll put 1 point. We have 2 digits. So let's take it one after the other because this one is having raised to power 3. So we have 2-digit number here. So we say 36 under 1 difference 2. Let's check that one first. We have our 2-digit number. We'll put our 1 point here. 36 under 1 difference 2. Let's check our table. Awesome. So we have 36 under 1 difference 2. We go back to our logarithm table. 36 under 1 difference 2. So 36 under 1 will give us 5575. This is it, 5575. So we write it somewhere. Difference 2. You keep tracing. difference 2 will give you 2. This is it. Ensure you are checking the right place. Trace it up to the top so that you know you are under difference 2. Awesome. This is it. So 36 under 1 difference 2. So this is 36 under 1. 5575. Difference 2 will give you 2. Just add the 2 together. 5575 plus 2 will give you 5577. Awesome. That's the reason why we have 5577 here. Good. Now raised to power 3 means you are multiplying it like as usual. So let's multiply the result we have by 3. So 1.5577 times 3 will give us what? 4.6731 if you bring out your calculator. So we'll be able to iron out this times this is it. Then we'll move to 750.9. This is it. Like I've said before decimal, how many digits do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3, so we write 2 points. This is it. So we go to our table. 75 under 0 difference 9. 75 under 0 difference 9. So our 2 points is already there. So let's check 75 under 0 difference 9. Let's go to 75. Here we have 75 under 0. This is it. This is 75 under 0. 8751. 8751. So we keep it somewhere. Difference 9. Difference 9. Keep tracing. Difference 9 will give you 5. Awesome. So 8751 plus 5 will give you 8756. 8756. That's why we have it here. 8756. Because our 3 digit has given us 2 points before. Awesome. Because multiplication goes with addition. We just add these 2. So we now have 7.5487. That is for the numerator up here. So we just keep it somewhere. 7.5487. We are through with that one. So we'll go through the same process down here because this one too has square. 113.2. This is it. 113.2. Let's check down first before we put our power. So we have 3 digits here. 3 digits will give us 2 points. This is it, 2 points. So we check 11 under 3 difference 2. 11 under 3 difference 2. Let's go to our table. 11 under 3. Awesome. Here we are. This is 11 under 3. This is 3. 0531. 0531. Difference 2. You keep tracing. You write this 0531 somewhere. Difference 2 is what? Is 8. So you add it together. 0531 plus 8 will give you 0539. 0539. Awesome. That's why we have it here. 0539. Awesome. So, but don't forget, it's raised to power 2. We just multiply it by these 2 like we've done in this one. So we multiply our result by 2 because we have 2.0539 already. Just multiply it by 2 because of this power times 2. It will give us 4.1078. Awesome. If you multiply it. Now we have this under 2. This times it will go for plus. But because this one too is carrying, it has a square root. So let's deal with 92.5 first before we deal with the square root. So 95. So we just discovered this should be 95.2, not 92.5 as earlier stated. So we've made those corrections. It should be 95.2. That's a typographical error. So we have it 95.2. It's having a square root. Awesome. So what we will do now is to check 95 under 2. This one has no difference. But before you do that, you check. We have 2 digits number here, so it will give us 1 point. That's why we have this 1 point here. Beautiful. 1 point. So we go to our logarithm table and check 95 under 2. This one has no difference. 95 under 2. So let's check. We check 95 under 2. You go straight to 95 under 2. Awesome. Here we are. This is 95 under 2. This is 2. You have 9786. 9786 because it has no difference. So you go and write your 9786 directly there. So that's why we have it. 9786. 9786. So we've been able to iron out that, but it has a square root. This square is 2, so we are going to divide it by 2. Don't forget, this square root is still the same thing as 95.2 raised to power 1 over 2. It is still the same thing. If it is that, it's going to be divide, but if it is raised to power 2, if it is like what we have here, we are going to multiply it, but this time around it's a square root. We'll divide it. So we divide our result that we've gotten here, 1.9786, divide by 2, because that is the square root. So you punch your calculator, it will give you 0.9893. Awesome. So all you just need to do is to add what you have here. That serves for the denominator. Just add it here. So you have 5.0971. Beautiful. So you are done with the numerator, which is this, and the denominator, you bring it out, which is this. But don't forget your numerator divided by your denominator. So this division, this divide, will go with minus. That's why we have this minus here. So just subtract both your results. This is for the numerator and this is for the what? Denominator. So you now have 2.4516 here. So lastly, you look for the anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm. So you start with, you do away with this for now. This one will just help you to know where to put your decimal. So you start with 0.45 under 1 difference 6. Let's go to our table. So now you go to anti-logarithm. So this is our anti-logarithm. So you go to 0.45. You go to what? 0.45. Awesome. This is our 0.45 under 1. This is it, 2825. You write it somewhere, 2825. Now difference 6, you keep tracing. Difference 6, you keep tracing. This is 6. Difference 6 is 4. So you add the two together, 2825 plus 4, it will give you 2829. Awesome. That's why we have 2829. But how are you going to know where to put your decimal? Like we discussed earlier, this is 2. Just add 1 to it, it will give you 3. You now count 3. 1, 2, 3, and put your decimal. Beautiful. So let's go to the last question. Awesome. Here we are. Question number 4. We have 8.32 times 2.964 all over 8.637 times 6.285, all square, then all cube roots. So you take it one after the other. We'll take these two numbers first. 8.32, this is it, times 2.964, this is it. We are multiplying both. So we have two numbers here, 2, it will give us 1 point, that's it here. We have one number here, it will give us 0 point, that's it here. So we consider 38 under 3 difference 2. 38 under 3 difference 2. So we go to our logarithm table. Ensure you are using the correct table. 38 under 3. 38, awesome. Here we are. 38, this is 38. Under 3, you trace. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. 38 under 3 will give you 5832. 5832. 5832. Difference 2. You keep tracing. Awesome. This is difference 2 here is 2. So 5832 plus 2 will give you 5834. That's why we have it here. 5834. This one we have one digit here, that's 0 point is already here. So we go to 29 under 6 difference 4. Look for 29. Awesome, this is it. 29 under 6, you keep tracing. This is it. 4713. 29 under 6 will give you 4713. Difference 4, you keep tracing. You write 4713 somewhere. Difference 4 is what? 6. Beautiful. So you add the two together. 4713 plus 6 will give you what? 4719. 4719. That's why we have it here. 4719. Awesome. So we are done with these two up here. We just add our results and it will give us 2.0553. Just bring it out somewhere here and keep it there. So let's go to the denominator down here. We have 8.637 times 6.285. That's what we have here. So we have 1 point here, 1 decimal, sorry, 1 number. It will give us 0 points. This one also will give us 0 points. That's why we have 0 points, 0 points. Awesome. Don't forget multiplication will go with addition. Awesome. So we now say 86 under 3 difference 7. 86 under 3 difference 7. Let's check our table. 86 under 3, 86. Awesome. Here we are. 86 under 3. This is 86 under 3. You trace. Awesome. This is it. 9360. 9360. Difference 7. Keep tracing. You write the 9360 somewhere. Difference 7. Awesome. This is it. 4. Difference 7 is 4. You add the two together. 9360 plus 4 will give you 9364. 9364. Awesome. That's why we have it here. 9364. So you check the second one. Don't forget this one decimal has given you 0 points. You now check 62 under 8 difference 5. 62 under 8 difference 5. So let's look for 62 under 8. Okay, here we are. This is 62 under 8. Keep tracing. This is it. 62 under 8 will give us 7980. Write it somewhere. 7980. 7980. Difference 5. Let's check difference 5. Difference 5 is what? Is 3. So you add it together. 7980 plus 3 will give you what? 7983. 7983. That's why we have it here. 7983. Awesome. So you just add the two together. It will give you what? 1.7347. So you keep it here too. So we are done with the numerator. This is the result. The denominator. This is the result. But because it's divided, is in between them, you subtract them. So we say this minus this. It will give us what? 0.3202. Awesome. So we are done with everything we have in here. But don't forget, it's raised to power 2. Everything is raised to power 2. That means we multiply our result by 2. Awesome. So that's what we have here. These are our results. Because everything is raised to power 2, we just multiply this our result by 2. We've done everything we have here. That's what we've done here. Raised to power 2, we just multiply it by 2. Punch your calculator. 0.3206 times 2 give you 0.6412. Awesome. But don't forget, everything here is in cube root. So we've done all we have in here is remaining the cube root. Since it's cube root, we'll divide all our results here by 3. And that's what we've done here. Everything here, all our results in here, this is it. So because for this cube root, we just divide it by 3. 0.641 to divide by 3. Punch your calculator to give you 0.2137. Beautiful. So now we look for our anti-log. Go to our anti-logarithm table. 0.21 under 3 difference 7. 0.21 under 3 difference 7. Let's check. Go to our anti-logarithm table. 0.21 under 3. 0.21 under 3. These are anti-logarithm. 0.21 under 3. Awesome. These are 0.21 under 3. These are 0.21 here. I just want to ensure we are seeing the 3 from up here. Good. This is 0.21 under 3. This is it. 1633. 1633. 0.21 under 3 is 1633. So difference 7, you keep tracing. Difference 7 is 3. So we just add our 1633 plus 3. It will give us what? 1636. 1636. This is 1636. How are we going to know where to put our decimal? This is 0. We just add 1 to it. That's 1 decimal place. Like we've said before, if it is 2, add 1 to it. That's 3 decimal places. But this is 0. Add 1 to it. That's 1 decimal place. That's why we have it 1.636. So you can always pause and rewind this video for better clarification and understanding. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.